get a human in here, stat, ASAP. One of these days, our SaaS softwares will alert us when a customer is having trouble, and they're going to say, hey, get a rep in here, ASAP. One day, AI will detect unusual behavior patterns and flag them, and then detect analytics beyond engagements or page views or numbers. And AI might even partner or lead the Zoom meetings. I mean, these things are coming, and I know startups are building a lot of these things using AI to enhance humans, but we're not quite there yet. So why do we still need humans for self-serve customer success? Well, there's the human factor, what AI cannot replace yet. The human elements, which is just emotional intelligence, relationship building, solving problems that customers cannot even describe. Hey, it's Gary, 3 times head of growth. Today, I'm going to talk to you about when do you need to step in on your self-serve software, and something that even AI cannot help you with. Right. When I'm thinking about when we launched PLG, we felt like the self-service was missing something, and we couldn't figure out why. Why didn't customers want to buy? Why people are leaving our applications? No analytics or metrics can tell us that, no videos. Why are these people not coming back? And so we put on our sales hat and we hop on a lot of these calls with the customers, and we pitch why they need certain advanced features. We educated them about compliance. We created materials for them to share with their internal team. We became thought leaders, and sometimes it doesn't resonate. And I remember when we were presenting pricing to customers, the buying committee, their executive team, you could feel the awkward silence. You could hear the tab, they're typing away behind the scenes and saying, and you could feel like the call's about to end. And sometimes our message clicked. You can see certain customers, they're nodding, right? They're swaying back and forth their head, and you can see their smile. And we knew we became trusted, and we built customers for life. And AI and self-serve software cannot tell you whether you are trusted or not. And this is where the concepts of understanding emotions. The customer might be hesitant. The buyer might be unsure. And of course, you had end users lying to you or being untruthful. And I don't think AI have designed for this detection yet. And no software metric can measure this. So us humans can listen intently beyond what was said. Okay? We understand the sentiments. And we also build relationships. SaaS, at the end of the day, is still a people-to-people business. We're probably going to buy software from thought leaders, from people that teach us things. We're probably going to champion tools from our friends or from people that we know are our connections. And maybe we could appreciate self-serve software, but every now and then we also appreciate like a friendly face talking to somebody, a memorable conversation, or like a deadpan joke, like something that cannot be recognized by AI. So talk to your customers, get to know them. It's going to return tenfold. Also, solving customer problems. Like customers, sometimes they don't recognize their own challenges. Maybe they're not problem aware, or they can't even describe it. It's hard to describe. And there's also edge cases depending on each customer scenario and situation. So to make your self-service successful, you need to step in and guide the customers, to explain to them the benefits that applies to them, to explain the outcomes that they can drive by using your software, educate them on how to talk to their internal stakeholders. Because at the end of the day, we are thought leaders. They're not just hiring a software, they're buying the expertise from us on how to navigate through these difficult problems. So is this like sales or customer success? But I don't know what it is. But at the end of the day, it's just being human. Sometimes we're just like enamored by the volume of customers. Oh wow, this growth rate is crazy. It's all self-serve, or like the AI will take care of it. We forget that behind each of these numbers, it's a real person, it's a real customer, and they have dreams, they have aspirations. They're trying to buy your software so they can do their job effectively and not get laid off. And they want to buy your software so that they can feel reassured and buy your software and help them feel confident. So yes, we might lead with products in product-led growth. We should definitely support product by being human-led. Hey, follow me on growthwithgary.com or feel free to subscribe here to learn more about how to execute PLG, lead and operate and launch and be successful in SaaS.